Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XRP coin. XRP is still moving at the support of a very big symmetrical triangle. And as in my previous video, I told you that once we will have a reversal move from the support of this big symmetrical triangle, in this video I told you, then we can have a mighty pump. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to have a reversal move or we are going to break down the support of this triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, then you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this weekly time frame chart. Okay, here we have been watching for in my previous so many videos that the price line is still moving in this symmetrical triangle on this weekly time frame, and we can see that this support is very long term and is not broken down even after several attempts. And now the movement of the price line is getting more and more squeezed because it has reached the end of the triangle, and at any time it can start a reversal move for the breakout. Yes, it is also a possibility for the breakdown as well. But the more signals are in favor of breaking out, because we also have a very nice support of the 100 simple moving average below the support. And if we take a look at the RSI oscillator on this weekly time frame chart, then it is continuously forming, giving us the hidden bullish divergence signals. Like here, price line formed another higher low than previous low. And if we take a look at the RSI, it formed lower low than previous low. And if we take a look at the recent low formed by the price line, then it has formed another higher low than previous low. And if we take a look at the RSI, it has set another lower low than previous low. So it is forming, it is giving us an indication of a hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart, and we are likely to have a bounce from this support. As if I switch to the daily time frame, then we can see recently it started the formation of another down channel, and the formation of this newly formed down channel was started here on 22nd of December. And finally, we are out of the resistance of this down channel, even though the volume is very low. If I place the volume indicator here, then we can see that the volume is still not supporting this breakout. However, it is possible that soon we will have a powerful buying volume entered in the market, and this move to the upside will be continued, because on the weekly time frame we are at the very end of the triangle, and at any time buyers can start buying and they can lead the price line at least up to the resistance of this triangle. Now this time, if the price line reaches here at the resistance of the triangle, that will be approximately at 95 cents. And in case of breakout, our next target after the breakout can be, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, that will be approximately at $2.33. And obviously this support of the triangle can be used as a stop loss, because if it will be broken down, then the price line can move more down to test this 100 simple moving average support that is approximately at 58 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.